Okay, I'm going to show you how to make an automatic homemade airsoft gun. First, you're going to need a drill. I'm using a drill-like screw, so then I can drill a hole into a Tic Tac bottle at the bottom. As you can see, I already made my hole. Okay, and then with the cap, I tore the top off, and then it's able to come off like this now. And then the hole, the straw has to be able to fit into the hole. It only has to go in like that far though, okay? And then, well, that's the first part. And then I have some cracks in mine, so I'm going to tape those up. You don't want any air leaks, otherwise it's not going to shoot far because air is just going to leak out. So, yeah. Okay, that's your first part. Gotta get it nice and taped so that no air will leak out. Pretty good. Okay. I know. That was just my stupid little sister. Well, I shouldn't say stupid, but she's just really annoying. You need a pump. Okay, I'll get done fast because we gotta eat. Okay, I'm gonna load this up. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Gotta tape this to it. Go away. I'm gonna tell Mom. I'm telling. God, it's so annoying.
Literally just wanted to say hi.
I know. Okay, well. Okay, here's the airsoft gun. Okay, I got my pump. I'm just going to use my feet to push it. And now, there you go.